You get hiccups all the time, but do you know what's really happening inside your body? Hiccups happen when a muscle in your chest called the diaphragm suddenly jumps. When it jumps, air rushes into your lungs super quickly and hits the top of your throat, making that hic sound. You usually get hiccups from eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or swallowing too much air. The longest hiccups ever recorded lasted 68 years. Can you imagine making that sound your whole life? So, next time you get hiccups, you'll know your breathing muscle is just acting up. What do you do to stop your hiccups?